Let's see quadrilaterals. What are quadrilaterals? Quadrilaterals are closed figure bounded by four sides. Right? It's a closed figure, and how many sides it will have? It will have four sides. It could be any shape. This is also a quadrilateral. Square is a quadrilateral. Rectangle is a quadrilateral. This is a rhombus, it's a quadrilateral. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral. This is a trapezium. I'll explain you all this later. First, now you will understand what is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is any closed figure with four sides. Now we will see the terms related to quadrilateral. Let's take a simple quadrilateral. This one. Let us name it A, B, C, D. Which are the vertex of the quadrilateral or vertices? A, B, C and D. Right? Then angle A, how many angles it has? Angle A, angle B, angle D, angle B, angle C. Right? Four angles. Now, which are the opposite angles? Okay, before opposite angles, let's see the sides. AB is the side, BC is the side, CD is the side and AD. Which are the opposite sides? Opposite sides means opposite to each other. AB and CD or DC, anything you can say. AB and CD, these are the opposite sides. AD and BC, these are also one pair. AD and BC, these are the opposite sides. Then comes adjacent side. Adjacent means side to side. Which are the adjacent side? AB, AD are adjacent. AB, BC are adjacent. So AB and BC, AB and AD, the sides which are बगल में, बगल बोलते हैं ना, आजू बाजू and that बगल thing. So adjacent means side to side. AB, BC, AB, AD, DC, ABC, DC, AD. So many pairs you will get for adjacent sides. Now same way, opposite angles. Which are the opposite angles? Opposite means opposite. Angle A and angle C are opposite to each other. Angle A, angle C, angle B, angle D, they are opposite angle. ये दोनों opposite, ये दोनों opposite. Same way, adjacent angles. Now you have understood adjacent meaning. So angle A, angle D are adjacent to each other. They'll be in pair, no? Angle A, angle D. Then another pair can be angle A, angle B. Then other pair can be angle B, angle C, right? Then angle D, angle C. So these are the different pairs of adjacent angles. So is it clear? Opposite sides you need to know. Adjacent side, opposite angles, adjacent angles. There is another term. Let me draw one more quadrilateral. Now A, B, C, D. This is D, sorry, D. Now the opposite vertex, when we join, we get a line that is AC. This is known as diagonal. It is a new term. If it is, I don't know, you know it or not. This is AC is a diagonal. The other diagonal is DB. The other diagonal is DB. So we have two diagonals in a quadrilateral which joins the opposite corners, AC and DB. So these are the terms which are related to quadrilateral.